Hi, today let's make super tasty, super easy, melt in your mouth chicken malai tikka. Very easy to make. First, you need to take cleaned and washed chicken, then add in salt. Let's add in some pepper powder. Then, what I'm doing is adding in a pinch of turmeric powder. So, don't add too much of turmeric powder, otherwise, it gets that yellow color. I'm adding a very bit of turmeric powder. Then, I'm adding in cheese. You can add in grated cheese, or here I've taken in sliced cheese and crushed it. Next, I've added in yogurt. Add in some ginger garlic paste. Next, I'm adding in some fresh cream. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Then I'll squeeze in some lemon juice and marinate it really very well. Now you can marinate it 15 minutes before you start making it, or you can do it overnight, or if you're doing a meal prep, do this and keep it in the fridge. Here I'm adding in some kasuri methi and then some chopped coriander leaves, and then marinate it really very well and keep aside. As I said, you can do the meal prep overnight or 15 minutes just before you're making it, anything of your choice. Now the chicken has been beautifully marinated. Now let's place it in the air fryer. Now slowly place the chicken one by one on the air fryer, and then you need to air fry it for 15 minutes at 180 degree, and that's it. Your super simple, super easy chicken malai tikka is ready to enjoy. You can serve it with the chutney or salads of your choice. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.